Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rupali Thorat, and my today's topic is explanation of clinical trials. Clinical trials are research study conducted on humans to evaluate the safety, effectiveness, and side effect of new drugs, devices, vaccine, or treatment method. They are an essential part of drug development, ensuring that the new medicine are safe and beneficial before they are approved for general use. Clinical trials. Purpose of clinical trials: to determine safety, check for harmful or toxic effect; to determine efficacy, find out whether the drug works as expected; to find the best dosage, how much should be given and how much often; to identify side effect, mild or serious reaction; to compare, see if it's better than the current standard treatment. Preclinical stages. Before human testing, before starting a clinical trials, the drug is tested in vitro and in vivo. In vitro, in test tube, petri dish, cell lines; in vivo, in animal like rats or rabbits. If this if these studies show that the drug is safe and effective, the company applies for permission to start human trials. In India, this permission is granted by the Central Drug Standard Control Organization (CDSCO) and globally by agencies like FDA, USA, or EMA Europe. Phases of clinical trials. Clinical trials are divided into four major phases, each with a specific purpose. Phase 1: Safety and doses. Purpose: to test safety, tolerance, and how much drug behave in the body. Participant in which 20 to 100 healthy volunteers are involved. Duration for several months. Phase 2: Efficacy and side effect. Purpose: to see if the drug works on patient and the study short-term side effect. Participant involving 100 to 300 patients suffering from the target disease. Duration for several months to 2 years. Phase 3: Confirmation and comparison. Purpose: to confirm effectiveness on a large scale, larger scale, and compare to its standard treatment or placebo. Participant 1,000 to 3,000 patients across multiple hospitals and countries. Duration 1 to 4 years. Phase 4: Post-marketing surveillance. Purpose: conduct after the drug is approval and marketed. Participant: general public using the drug. Duration: continue after launch. Important ethical principles. Clinical trial must follow ethical standards to protect human rights. These are based on Declaration of Helsinki, ICH-GCP, International Council for Harmonization Good Clinical Practices, Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR guidelines. Key ethics: informed consent. Participant must voluntarily agree after being informed about risks and benefits. Confidential personal data must be protected. Right to withdraw. Participant can leave at any time. Safety monitoring. Ethical committee and data safety monitoring board review all data regularly. Roles in a clinical trial. Sponsor: the company or organization funding the trial. Investigator: the doctor or researcher conducting the trial. Ethics committee: ensure participant safety and ethics. Subject volunteers: the human participant. Regulatory authorities: approve and monitor trials. For example, FDA and CDSCO. Types of clinical trials: interventional trials, observational trials, randomized control trials, blinded trials, crossover trials. Data collection and analysis. During the trials, data are collected on efficacy, side effect, and lab result, etc. Statistically, analysis is done to prove the results are significant, not due to chance. Reports are submitted to regulatory bodies for review. Challenges in clinical trials: high cost and long duration, managing ethical and legal issues, adverse reaction causing early termination, maintaining accurate data and records. Thank you.